Well, compared sa ibang mga businesses, pag mobile cart kasi pwede kang magpalipat-lipat, no? Depende kung maulan, pwede ka lipat doon sa isang area naman kung saan mas maraming tao. Mas convenient siya compared sa ibang businesses. When I found out the story behind KRT Milk Tea Coffee, nalaman ko yung CEO nito is OFW din. And my business partner is an OFW as well. And syempre, like most OFWs, dream nila makauwi dito and mag-settle na may business na. So, yung partner ko, when I showed her the concept, nagustuhan niya. That's when the time na nag-decide kami na mag-franchise itong KRT. Response ng tao sa amin, sobrang overwhelming. In fact, as of 5:30, nakabenta kami ng 70 cups. Very thankful kami kasi simula pa lang nung nag-inquire kami about the franchise hanggang sa mag-grand opening, very hands-on ang team ng KRT. If you want to do something, go for it. Worry ka na lang late. Yes, I would definitely recommend KRT sa mga kakilala, mga kaibigan at kapamilya ko. To the KRT management, maraming salamat po. Simula po nang nag-inquire kami sa franchise hanggang sa grand opening, andiyan po kayo. Thank you so much po.